So the Duchess of Cambridge, Kate Middleton, sported a few bracelets, from Steels and Mantras in her recent visit to Jamaica. Now, the creative director, LaShondra Bailey Miller, zooms in to tell us how the connection was made and what's been happening since then. Morning, LaShondra. Welcome to Smile. How are you?
Good morning, Neville. Good morning, Jamaica. I'm doing great.
Fantastic. First, tell me about Steels and Mantras before we get specific here.
All right. So first, let's talk about Inspire 365 because that's where it started. So when I started Inspire 365, I really wanted to inspire people using my jewelry, and I wanted to do inscriptions in jewelry. However, I did not have the means to do so at the time, so I started making jewelry from whatever I could find when I just started the business, such as copper, the coconut shells, and all of that, which I still do. Now, I became known for those handmade jewelry, and then I really wanted to do my inscriptions, and so I started Steels and Mantras as another line of jewelry under Inspire 365. I started that in October of 2020.
Yeah.
So Steels and Mantras is where you will find your inspirational messages on your stainless steel jewelry, your mantras on your stainless steel.
All right, now let's be specific. How you know that the Duchess was wearing it? Is you give her, is you she buy it from? How you know that she was wearing it?
May I tell you the truth, you know, Neville? One evening, me day here, and me get a call. Me see Washington, D.C. come up on my phone. So me show Kevin, and me say, Kevin, look here, this look like it's a scam calling. And he say, answer it, you can just hang up if it's a scam. Answer the phone. Person started talking in an Eastern Caribbean accent, identifying themselves as someone from the British High Commission. Of course, me still skeptical because, you know, you want scam, you have to tell me all sorts of things. So my antennas were up until I heard the phrase Christmas in July. She said that she saw the products in the Christmas in July catalog, and I said, oh yes, I participated in Christmas in July last year. And then she proceeded to explain that the Duke and Duchess would be visiting, and they are looking for gifts, and they think that my items that are in the catalog would be, you know, suitable options. I was told that it's not guaranteed that she's going to select my piece. And okay, I thought nothing of it except to prepare the items for them, and they were picked up the following day.
This is what we're talking about here that I have in my hand here? This is what we're talking about here?
Those two.
So how you did feel when did you know that she actually took it and had it on?
So I was in a class, and I checked my Instagram, and I see a message. Again, me think of some scam thing. You know, they might try to take over people Instagram page and all of that. So I see somebody message me and say, how do I purchase the bracelet as seen on the Duchess of Cambridge? Now I'm like, oh, somebody knew about the bracelet when I was told not to say anything about the bracelet, and I did not say anything to anybody about the bracelet. Then another message came in, and I'm like, and I've started getting tags, and when I keep checking the Instagram, and I seen her in that beautiful yellow dress coming off the plane. Then I started seeing her in that multicolored dress on her visit to Trenchtown, and I'm saying, oh, she's here, and she's wearing the bracelet. She actually selected it.
Fantastic, fantastic. What kind of material we're talking about here? This is what? This gold is stainless steel?
It's stainless steel. So the bangle is stainless steel plated in 18 karat gold. Usually, those are the ones that would have the inscription.
Yeah.
And then when I was first, the other one is freshwater pearls with stainless steel.
Fantastic.
Gold plated stainless steel.
Fantastic. So she bought it from someone who would be selling your stuff. It didn't come directly from you.
It came directly from me. It was picked up from my home by someone from the British High Commission.
Fantastic. Well, so you and her is big friend now?
And if I tell you, you soon give her a call later and check up on her.
That's funny. Congrats. I'm certain this must make you feel very, very good. Congrats, and I hope it will help
Thank
you
you.
and your business as you move forward. Great to meet you, and this is just fantastic.
Thank
I was
you.
going to put it on and say me and the Duchess are wear the same thing, but I have a feeling say it not gonna look so good on me as it did look good.
No worry yourself. Me can't send you the male version.
Great to see you. God bless you, and thanks for speaking with us this morning. And
I
congrats
can't
again.
go without telling Jamaica where to find my products, Neville.
I was just going to ask you that, but go ahead.
All right, so of course it's Inspire 365, INZZPIRE, 365 on Instagram or website, www.inspire365.com. Steals and mantras, don't forget, it's a Z all the way, no S at the end of these words. So steals, STEELZ, and mantras, MANTRAZ. You can also find my work in Etal's store, 24 Windsor Avenue. We're also in the Curiosity gift shop down by the Knutsford Terminal, the Knutsford Depot by Draxall. And we are at the Grand Excelsior Hotel over in Port Royal.
All right. Look after yourself. God bless you. And again, nice little package. Everything about it I like. So congrats. Look after yourself. Steels and Mantras Creative Director, LaShondla Bailey Miller. All right. After the break, Camila brings her kitchen to the Smile Set. Sim will have that one. Stay with us, please. Soon come.